All of the sudden they start thinking about me. All of the sudden all they could think of is me. All of the sudden everything around them remind them of the good memories we had. All of the sudden they miss me so much. All of the sudden they realize they are happier with me. All of the sudden they realize I am the one. All of the sudden they know no one can compare to me. All of the sudden they cannot risk to lose me again. All of the sudden they will do anything just to get me back. All of the sudden they reach out to me. All of the sudden they apologize for the pain they caused in the past. All of the sudden they will do anything to make things right. All of the sudden they beg me to take them back. All of the sudden I am the only one they want. All of the sudden they text and call me all the time. All of the sudden they showered me with lots of love. All of the sudden they love to surprise me with gifts. All of the sudden they love to be with me all the time. All of the sudden they make sure we have quality time with me every day. All of the sudden they only have eyes on me. All of the sudden I am always their first priority. All of the sudden they treat me like royalty. All of the sudden they cannot wait to marry me. All of the sudden they start planning for our future. All of the sudden I feel so confident about love. All of the sudden I feel relaxed and loved in this relationship. All of the sudden I feel so easy to manifest love. All of the sudden I can manifest anything and anyone I want easily.